So you may be wondering, what is a secured credit card and how does it work? Well, here's a catch-22, guys. A credit card is one of the quickest ways to build good credit, but you often can't get a credit card without good credit. So if you need good credit to get a credit card, which helps you to build credit, and you have no credit, what do you do? If you're in this situation or looking to rebuild your credit due to some past issues, you've come to the right place because I'm going to break down a great option for you, which is a secured credit card. Now, I was literally talking to a body shop owner friend of mine and his wife this past weekend, and that conversation actually inspired me to make this video. Now, my friend has great income, but the husband has no credit history and the wife has a low credit score. Now, they were telling me how they would like to have their own home one day, as well as expand their business operations, but are unable to do so because of their credit. They both seem very defeated and frustrated. Now, after getting more information about this situation, I really wanted to help them because, guys, it is my desire to see everyone win and live their best life, which actually inspired me to create this channel to share my knowledge and experience, because to me, what is even more powerful than being successful yourself is the ability to uplift the next person and help them on their journey. Anyway, guys, I suggested to them that they open a secured credit card with their bank. They had never heard of this option before, and I explained it to them in detail. But before we get into the rest of the video, if you're enjoying the content so far, please destroy that like button. It really helps me out with the YouTube algorithm. Also, consider subscribing and turning on the notification bells. I'm posting valuable new content every week. Alright, guys, so secured credit cards can help people with bad credit or short credit histories escape that credit paradox that I described earlier. Here's what you need to know to understand secured credit cards and how they differ from regular unsecured cards. So a secured credit card is backed by a cash deposit you make when you open the account. Now, this deposit is usually equal to your credit limit. So if you deposit $200, you'll typically get a $200 credit limit. Now, the purpose of the deposit is to reduce the risk to the credit card issuer, because if you don't pay your bill, the issuer can take the money from your deposit. This is why these cards are available to people with bad credit or very little credit. Now, the good thing, Joe, is that if you use the card responsibly, you may eventually improve your credit score enough to qualify for an unsecured card, which is one that does not require a deposit. You may also eventually have your deposit returned as a result of your good payment history. Now, some of the best secured cards may allow you to upgrade your account directly to an unsecured card. A great starter secured credit card is the Discover IT Secured. Like other secured credit cards for people building or rebuilding credit, it does require a security cash deposit. However, what makes this card so special and unique, guys, is that it offers reward. Now, when I was talking to my friend about his situation, I explained to him one of the best benefits of credit cards is the ability to get points and redeem them for free or discounted flights, hotels, merchandise, and even gift cards. Now, my friend, due to the type of business he runs, spends anywhere from $5,000 to $20,000 a month on auto parts. I'm like, bro, you are missing out on all types of free stuff, especially if you had a card with a sign-up bonus. I explained it to him like this: you already pay cash for everything, why not get something for it? As long as you're disciplined, you're already spending $5,000 to $20,000 a month on your card, on your debit card. So put these expenses on the credit card and just pay it right away. You can literally log on through your phone and send the payment right away as soon as you charge your credit card. But what really makes the Discover IT card a good secured credit card is the upgrade possibility. So Discover has a process in place for automatically reviewing accounts and deciding whether or not to promote them to an unsecured credit card, which again requires no collateral. Alright, guys, so now I'm going to break down exactly how an unsecured credit card works. Once the initial deposit is paid, secured cards work just like unsecured ones. You can use them wherever credit cards are accepted, including online. You can build or rebuild your credit by using the card responsibly and paying your balance on time. If you don't pay your balance in full every month, you will incur interest on whatever your balance is. Most major credit card issuers such as Bank of America, Citibank, Capital One offer both secured and unsecured cards. Now, some of the cards do have annual fees, but you should not pay more than $50 to $100 for an annual fee, and there are also plenty of options with no annual fee. Now, some good news, guys, is that many people find that by using a secured card carefully, it can take approximately a year to improve your credit score enough that you'll be able to qualify for an unsecured card. You should ask the credit card company if they will let you transfer your secured line of credit to an unsecured one, which is actually better for your credit score, guys, because it does not require you to open up a new account. However, even if you end up applying for a new secured credit card, you may be able to enjoy some of the benefits of having a good credit score, such as lower interest rates, rewards, and more competitive fees. So guys, if you can't qualify for an unsecured card, a secured credit card can be a great tool as you look to improve your credit. But remember, it's as important to be responsible with a secured card as it is with any other loan or bill that shows up on your credit report. I really hope you guys found value in this video. If you did, please be sure to hit that like button and share with others on social media. It really helps me out a lot with the YouTube algorithm and also in supporting and growing the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell as I'm posting valuable new content at least twice a week. Thanks again for watching, and until next time.